Oh, let's see what we got here. Let's try this one. I don't know where this leads to. Oh, the Perry Overlook. Alrighty. Real cool back here. The air is just so fresh as well. Good clean air. Okay, we're gonna go on the overlook. See what's going on up here. Alrighty, look at this. Pretty cool.